Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can split merged images in your projects on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm on that example page here in LibreOffice Draw, and I merged these two images, like we see on that page here, into one object or one shape. But I would like to split them. So it works actually the same way as merging, just the other way around. So what you'll need to do is right click into the merged shape. And here guys, where you usually should see the shapes tab, you will see this option split. You may click into it or use the shortcut Control Alt left Shift and K. And that is going to split the given object into its two original images. Alternatively, guys, you may navigate to the edits history here by clicking into that arrow down icon next to the undo button and browse through that edit history and go to the merging edit, for example, to undo the merging or to split the shape in half. That's it guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.